Welcome to Cooking Around's channel. What I have for you today, very simple recipe, a poached egg. And why am I showing a poached egg? Because I've been asked 2-3 times to show how to do it. Now, I know it's very simple, but you know something? Sometimes it can be complicated. But I'm going to show you a technique which I use and I find very easy that it works every time. Now, just look at this egg. Absolutely perfect. Now, if you don't like it on the runny side, just leave it a little bit longer and it'll be exactly the hardness that you want. So, let's get going here. Now, get your water boiling and bring it down to a simmer. And now, what I would like you to do is take a metal ladle or a little heat-proof dish like I have, put the egg inside, just dip it down very slowly, let it heat up just like this. Don't panic because you're seeing the whites going everywhere. This is perfectly normal. Now let it cook a little bit in the little dish like this. Let it cook, and then what I want you to do is slowly drop it into the pot of water just like this. Now if you want it more on the hard side, just let it go for a little few extra couple of minutes. And now take your spoon strainer and just remove the water, and it is perfectly done. So as fast as this, we are done. So it's goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.